helped to insulate these snow monkeys in this testing environment. But they still feel the cold. At this time of the year, food is scarce. But macaques are adaptable and clever. The troop has learnt that this river stays ice-free the year round. This female knows it's a good place to gather insect larvae from under the rocks, using her versatile hands and nimble fingers. In winter, this troop spends most of its time searching for food. The same underground forces that prevent this river from freezing bring great comfort to others. The Japanese Alps were built by volcanoes. Many of them are still active. And in a region called Hell's Valley, some snow monkeys have found the perfect winter resort. A thermal spa where the water temperature is a blissful 41 degrees centigrade. Everyone wants in, but primates being primates, there are poolside politics. This is an exclusive members-only club. Only the highest-ranking females and infants are allowed in. Everyone obeys this male.